Soak 250 gram of moong dal in water for half an hour. Make chorus powder of handful of peanuts, sesame seeds and dried half coconut. Take 250 gram of bitter gourd, give a standing cut and scrape out pith and seed. Keep 2 to 3 cups of water on medium flame and add a pinch of salt. Add karelas into water, cover the pot and let them cook until the tip of knife pricks in easily. Heat 1 teaspoon of edible oil on low flame. Once oil is medium hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of carom seeds and fennel seeds. Roast them for around 1 minute. Drain the moong dal we soaked and add it into the roasted spices. Mix everything well, cover it with lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add the chopped stems of coriander. Mix well and cover again. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Add little water if needed. Add salt as per taste. Mix well. Add water if needed. Again cover it and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Add chorus paste of 1 green chili, half inch ginger and 10 to 12 curry leaves into cooking dal. Mix everything well. Add 3 teaspoons of besan. Mix everything really well. Add half cup of water and keep mixing. Once besan is mixed properly, add powder of peanut, sesame and coconut. Also add half cup of raisins. Keeping it on low flame, keep mixing to get a dough-like consistency. Add 1 cup of fresh grained peas in the dal. Mix well, cover and let it cook for 1 minute. Make chorus powder of 10 to 12 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon fennel seeds. Turn off the flame, add the chorus powder in the dal and mix everything properly. Knead it like a dough. Add the chopped coriander leaves. Keep kneading until everything mixes properly. The stuffing is ready. Stuff each karela with generous amount of stuffing. Heat a frying pan on low flame. Spread 1 to 2 teaspoons of edible oil evenly. Once oil is medium hot, put karelas on the pan, cover with lid. Roast each side of karela till it turns a bit brown. Take out karelas on serving plate. Add generous amount of freshly grated coconut. Stuffed karelas are ready to be served.